Have you ever wondered about the beauty of cottage-style gardens? These delightful spaces exude charm, boasting lush plantings and a casual design that invites relaxation. They're an enchanting blend of color, fragrance, and texture. Dive in with us as we explore the elements that make up these beautiful landscapes. A typical cottage-style garden is a study in charm, abundance, and natural beauty. At the heart of its allure are key elements that make it a unique blend of the structured and the spontaneous. Mixed plantings are a hallmark of the cottage garden ethos. Rather than strict rows of single species, you'll find a delightful jumble of flowers, herbs, and vegetables growing side by side. This approach not only creates a visually arresting display, but also promotes a healthy ecosystem in your garden. Another key element is vertical interest. By using climbing plants, trellises, and arches, the garden extends upwards, drawing the eye and adding another dimension to the space. This can also provide much-needed shade in hotter climates. Functional pathways are equally important, winding their way through the garden, inviting visitors to explore and discover. These paths can be created from a range of materials, from traditional cobblestones to rustic wood chips. In cottage-style gardens, traditional and heirloom plants often take center stage, their timeless beauty adding a sense of history and romance. The importance of color and texture cannot be overstated, with the variety of plants providing a feast for the senses. Finally, whimsical accessories such as bird baths, sundials, and garden gnomes bring a touch of magic and personality. These elements combine to create a garden that is both visually stunning and deeply personal. So, what makes these gardens so appealing? The allure of cottage-style gardens lies in their ability to stir up a sense of nostalgia, their inherent beauty, and the opportunity they present for personal expression. Cottage-style gardens are indeed a celebration of beauty, charm, and individuality. Feeling inspired by these delightful gardens? Why not bring a touch of that charm to your own space? Start by incorporating some elements of cottage-style gardens. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring garden ideas.